Ever wondered why some traders win consistently while others just keep bleeding money? Let me tell you a story. One that might sound all too familiar. I was in my room in Pune, market had crashed, and I had just lost 50,000 rupees in one single day. The screen was red, my face was pale, my confidence gone. Maybe you have been there too. If you have ever thought of quitting, don't, because that day didn't break me. That day built me. Fast forward today, I have built an education platform that helps thousands of Indian traders completely free, not to show off a Lamborghini or a big house. Because flashy things don't make you rich. Knowledge does. And that's what I'm going to give you here. Knowledge can put you in the top 10% of the successful traders. So this is how the course is structured. It's simple. We have built it on 3 solid rock pillars. Level 1. Build your foundation just like Tendulkar's footwork. Basic but powerful. Level 2. Master volatility trading concept that even MBA grads don't know. Level 3. 3 winning strategies which are time tested and used by professionals worldwide. These are not YouTube ke, totke. These are backed by serious research. Solid logic. No fluff. What makes this course different from all the noise on the internet? First, it's research-based approach. You don't have to look to any charts, no fancy indicators, no confusing fundamentals. Just pure time-tested logic used by the best in the business. Number 2, simple language. No jargon, just plain English and Hindi. We explain it like your grandfather explained life lessons with stories. And if you love cricket or Bollywood, you will love our examples. Number 3, real-time support. So we have Telegram plus WhatsApp community, which will help you because learning alone is boring. Weekly sessions to keep you sharp. Doubt clearing sessions in English and Hindi because you deserve clarity no matter what your language is. Let's be real for a second. This course won't turn you crorepati overnight. Trading isn't a lottery, it's a skill. Just like cricket. You don't hit sixes on day one. You learn, you practice, you train. And I promise I'll guide you every step by the way. By the end of this course, you will understand volatility just like how Dhoni understands the pressure. Make decisions based upon logic, not fear. And there is a quiz at the end of every video which will test our knowledge. And most importantly, you will be part of a tribe, a family of Indian growing traders who are growing every day together. Drop a comment, introduce yourself. I want to personally welcome you. Every successful trader stood exactly where you are right now. Confused, hopeful and unsure. The difference? They took their first step. Are you ready to take yours? Because in the next upcoming videos, we are going to unlock the basics of volatility trading. And in a way so simple that your grandmother will also get it. Don't miss it. This could change everything. Let's begin your journey. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started.